कुछ दिख ही नहीं रहे। वैसे भी ज़्यादा कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है, फिर भी कुछ चीज़ें बात करते करते रिकॉर्ड करेंगे। बोझो शायद कुछ खा रहा है। बोजी क्या खा रहा है? दिस इज बोजी। बोजी कम हियर बोजी। ए बोजी बोजी, लुक एट दैट बम। बोजी का बम। सो this has always been one of my favorite thing to do in life, climbing the mountains. Not necessarily it has to be the fort or anything. Going on mountain top gives me different kind of a high, and I've done this many a time, and recently I've started recording it. It's the amazing feeling once you reach on the top. So on our right hand side, if you see, that's Hiranandani, and down there it's Rasaini village and it's Sauk village and other parts of villages near Panvel. It's a beautiful place to be, especially on the 31st night, when everybody is celebrating in the crowded areas and crowded pubs, and celebrating with the booze and chicken and everything possible which cannot make you get up tomorrow morning. But my idea of welcoming the new year uh, is 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 kind of little different, uh, not because I hate the party. It's just that stepping into something new, I feel you should be energetic, you should be vibrant, you should be exuberant, you should be happy, you should be joyful, and that is what I've been practicing from last 5 years. Though I have also done similar kind of parties, and uh, you know getting drunk and getting sloshed during the 31st nights before, but since I have realized it, that uh, whenever you want to welcome something new in your life, you should be in a certain stage of mind, certain stage of happiness. So this is what I have been practicing from quite a few years now. you know I have certainly developed the kind of a lifestyle, or I have accepted that kind of a lifestyle where where things are not too materialistic but full of life, and to be in a life, to enjoy these certain things of life, it helps if you are in nature, if you are in this if you are on this beautiful mountains or near sea area, or near the dam or a water bodies, or anything that has been created by the creator. So once you are there in that kind of a area, in that kind of a surrounding, in this kind of an environment, you know it makes you receptive, it makes you available for the grace, it makes you available for the joy of life. So guys, that's the mantra for today. If you want to be happy, you be in nature. Wow, see that beauty. Are The beauty is lost in the dark.
Or maybe it's a black beauty.
No.
शेट बोझो डरा
Oh, this is Bozy. Hey Bozy. Bozy come here. Hey Bozy के ऊपर लाइट मारो. बोझो के ऊपर कोई तो लाइट मारो जल्दी 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 जल्दी. Flash 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 flash. Wow, Bozy. That's my trek partner, Mr. Bozo. बोझो को चलो guys.